Hey guys, Fun Surprising Toys here. Today we have an awesome Trolls Peppa Pig giant surprise egg. Peppa dressed as the Trolls princess, Puppy. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready and you like it. Check our girl out. Look how lovely she looks. Today she's the Trolls princess. She looks so beautiful with Puppy's dress. Hey, she's even waving to us. Check her out. Now it is time to say goodbye to our Trolls Peppa Pig. And the fingers are coming off the tiny little tail. Da-da-da-da-da. The outfit, the accessories, it's all a thing of the past. Goodbye dress. Beautiful, really beautiful. And now the face, the flowers. Da, 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 da. I hope you guys are ready today because today we've outdone ourselves. Today we went to Toys R Us and bought up everything. Today, my friends, be ready. It's the surprise of your life. Da 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 da. Well, not really. It's just another surprise. But hey, they're all great, so be excited. And look at the troll hair, it's coming off, and now it's just Peppa the pig. How you doing? You look great. Well, now you're being transformed, so you look less great, but we won't judge. There goes the face. And the last layer. Let's get our fingers moving. We got a clock ticking. Da 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 da. Come on, crack the egg open, pull it apart. And there we go. Woo-wee! Look at this, Christmas came early. Check out our beautiful egg. Trolls Blind Bag Surprise Series 2. Let's cut it open. Hopefully we don't cut off their hair. And check it out. Wow, we have Princess Puppy. This is our lucky day. You're so cute and happy and pink. Yeah, you're adorable. She knows it. Look at her, jumping all around. Beautiful. And her green dress goes perfectly well with her pinkness. And we can even play with her hair. Give her some different dew every day. What else? We have a Barbie Mega Bloks minifigure. This looks miniature. Look at our beautiful Teresa. Check her out. Have you ever seen anything like this? So miniature, yet so real-like. And we fit it in our block, just like Lego. And now she can stand still forever, just looking at us. What an ideal gift. Awesome. And we have Disney Heroes versus Villains Mystery Mini Vinyl Surprise. Is it good or bad? Is it evil versus goodness? We have Marshmallow, a villain from Frozen. Oh my, look how angry he looks. He's about to run havoc on our city. Don't worry guys, he's just a miniature villain. He can't do anything to us. Hear that, Marshmallow? Soon we'll put you in fire. Ha ha ha! We'll make us some more out of you. Goodbye. What else? Shopkins Christmas Ornament Surprise, just in time for the holidays. Check out this ball out. We have Sammy Santa Hat. Check it out. The adorable Sammy Santa Hat. We can wear it, we can hang it, we can do whatever we want with it. So cute. What else? What's our other surprise? And we have Chrissy present! Yay! More presents, my favorite! Check it out. It's wrapped like perfection. It even has my name on it. Oh, I wonder what it is. Santa, I've been very good this year. Well, he better know that. Have you guys been good this year? What do you want under your Christmas tree? So, let's put it in our ornament ball and stick it on our tree. Just like that, we get to hang it. Cool. What else? We have our magical elephant. Why, of course. And don't forget our magical gem. Magical gem, work your magic. Bada bing, bada boo, bada bum. We have Peppa Pig plush toy. Peppa Pig plush, Peppa Pig plush, Peppa Pig plush. Ah, I got stuck. Try saying that really fast. It's almost unbearable. Check out this fluffy little creature. So soft. And we can also hang it wherever we want. So she can come with us wherever we go. And now she's dancing. Adorable. Bye, Peppa Plush Pig. Peppa Plush Pig. Peppa Plush Pig. I said it 3 times. Bye. Awesome. We have Monster High Mini Locker Surprise. Uh-oh, who are we sticking in the locker today? We have Claudine Wolf. Hey girl, how you doing? Look at her. She's such a diva, fashionista, beautiful, and we get to stick her in the locker. Awesome. What else? We have My Little Pony surprise bag. I wonder who we got. Pull it out, take it out. We have Trixie Lulamoon. What an interesting name and an interesting color. Look how pretty. Wow, really like this one. We need to match it up. Adorable. And what's this? We have Disney Tsum Tsum Blind Box Surprise. Who did we get? We have our lovely Mary. Let's take it out and check Mary out. Look at her, the adorable kitty cat. So pretty, so gentle, so kind, so big and fluffy. But she's definitely a keeper. Look at her winking at us, playing around in our palm of our hand. Adorable! There she goes. And what's this? Banana surprise. I've been eyeing you all day. I hope you have some food in you because I'm hungry. Whoa, check this out. We have 3 SpongeBobs. And they're all making different goofy faces. How cute. Adorable. Which is your favorite face? I think mine's the middle one. They're so goofy we can stack them up, or we can put them one next to each other, whatever you want. Or you could just put them in their banana case. Adorable. Bye. What's this? Tuesday's 2 surprise. Yes, it's twins time. Let's see what we got. Pull it out, cut it open, and surprise us. Why don't you? We have baby Henrietta. Baby Henrietta. With a chicken hat. It makes so much sense. Look how cute. And the second surprise we have is his pet friend Penny to match his hat. Penny's adorable. Look at this little chick. Hey Penny and Henrietta, you guys make the perfect pair. Adorable. Bye. And our last surprise for today is Cupcake Surprise! The perfect ending to end on a sweet note. This one is lemon scent. Let's find out which princess we have. Da-da-da. Lemon scent, which princess? Pull it open and voila! We have... Check this out. She transforms. Be a Princess Catherine. Look at adorable Catherine and her lovely hat to protect her pale skin from the sun. So pretty. That looks tasty. I wish I could lick her hat. Awesome. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to more giant surprising eggs. Bye!